Ladies and gentlemen, these ingredients, very simple. Some poblanos, some cheese, and some beautiful steak. We're going to make a wonderful taco with these simple items. Today, beautiful ingredients. You've already heard tacos, and I am so looking forward to this. But not only we're going to make some delicious tacos, we got some pico de gallo to go with it. Hey, that was another episode, okay? But I want to put it on top of these beautiful tacos after I make them. Oh, we're going to whip this up in a skillet. All right, I'm going to take this beautiful sirloin. We're going to slice it up, dice it up, fix it with these poblanos that have been treated just the right way. And once we've cooked them up just right, we're going to mix in some cheese, get it all melted, and throw it inside of a tortilla. And that's when the toppings begin. Folks, this is easy to make. This is delicious and definitely something you should try. Now let's get busy and make us some poblano steak tacos. Come on. Put your poblanos on a burner and set it to high. Let those suckers pop and blister. If you don't have a burner like this, you can use a grill. If you don't have a grill, use the broiler of your oven. Okay? And then after that, just put them in a bag, let them sweat, and they will come clean very easy from that skin. As you can see, I'm scorching them really well all the way around. Go ahead and do that. You're going to get some great flavor if you do it this way. I like it that way. Now, whether you peel this skin off like this, which it does, it comes right off as you can see here. Whether you peel it off or if you wash it off, that's your business. Either way, it works. This gives you a little more flavor, a little more. The oil is under the skin here and you get that charry flavor, and it really adds to the depth and the character. Or you can wash it and you get a little more of that clean poblano flavor. Either way works good. I have my poblanos skinned and diced up and ready to go. Some of them were a little orange and red in there. That means they're going to be good and spicy, and I like mine that way. Green is the way they usually come out. This, my steak, I'm going to dice up the same way I did my chilies. Doesn't have to be big dice. Remember, these are going to fit inside of a taco, and you want them to be nice, small, bite-sized pieces of sirloin that'll cook up easy and taste delicious. Folks, get you a nice heavy pan. You can use a griddle for this also, or anything will work. It just needs to be a good wide flat surface. Fry up your meat. Add in the poblanos after the meat's halfway cooked, and once those get fully cooked together, add in the cheese and just melt it in, and at that point, boom, it's ready to hit the taco. It's beginning. See how we got some of that starting to skate? It means we're about at that right temperature. Let's get some meat down in here. Alright, I just want to get this spread out. We're going to give it a minute to get a little bit of sear on it because I'm looking for that browned edge on that meat. So as I mentioned, when we get to about the halfway point, we want to start adding in that poblano. I got just a little bit of poblano here. I'm going to add that in. All right. We'll give that a moment more. Now there's one thing I want to add to this, and it's just a little touch of salt. It's not going to take much, but this dish will be kind of flat without it. Now, our cheese. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? There we go. Now that is looking beautiful. Get that all in there together. Just a moment more. It won't take much. Folks, there it is, all cooked up, melted cheese, delicious. I'm going to be using some fresh pico de gallo right down on this. I just made this for another show, and I figured it's the perfect time to use it. There it is, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Get some pico de gallo on there, get some color, and you've got delicious ready to enjoy. Oh, yes. Oh, folks. When you try this, you're going to be floored. Absolutely delicious. The pico de gallo gives it just that little edge. All that melted cheese is wonderful, and the flavors just pop. Steak and poblano with cheese tacos, that's the way to go. Thank you for watching. Please take a look, description box. There's some links there. One to Texas Cooking Today, more recipes like this. Also one to my website, S.A.Trotter.com, and that's where the PDF version of my recipes are. Take a look at that. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Click the like button and drop a comment below. I always appreciate it. Folks, have a good day. Bye-bye. On my website, I have my recipes. That's right, I sell my recipes on my website, and I do that quite on purpose. I provide free tutorials here on YouTube. A lot of people sell their tutorials and give the recipes out for free. I would rather do a really good quality printed recipe like this, where you have a quality picture of what you're making, a description, what it is, and bullet pointing the ingredients, and designing the ingredients so you know what ingredients are for what. Is it for the rolls or for the filling? You know, in this one at least. Also, all of my instructions are numbered, and often I'll do pictures depicting what needs to be done. My recipes also come with a place on the bottom for notes. It's a great way to do a recipe and to know how to do something when you've never tried it before. Please do me a favor, take a look at S.A.Trotter.com, where I have my recipes in PDF format that I offer the public. Thank you very much, and folks, you have a good day. Bye-bye.